Good day, everyone. I am Arnie Boston, and I will discuss the continuation of the remaining stage positions and the importance of stage positioning. In theater, stage positions are always written from the perspective of the actor facing the audience. Stage left is the area on the left-hand side of the stage from the point of view of a performer standing on stage facing the audience. In contrast, stage right is the area on the right-hand side of the stage, again from the point of view of a performer standing on stage facing the audience. In British theater and some theaters in the United States, there are other stage positions called prompt side, often referred to as the stage left, and opposite prompt side, referred to as stage right. Most yet theaters have a prompt corner where a performer can go if they need a prompt or line reading, if they may have forgotten their next line. Typically, this prompt corner will be on stage left, although it can sometimes be the opposite. Regardless, instead of using SL and SR for stage directions, they would use P and OP, so it would be less confusing on who's left or right specifically. Moreover, to put an emphasis, the positions on stage are named based on the actor's perspective rather than the audience perspective. So when the audience looks at the stage, the area that appears to be the left is actually the stage right, and the area which appears to be the right is actually the stage left. The common abbreviation in a stage plot for stage right is SR, for stage left it is SL. This picture shows stage left and stage right from the performer's perspective. When a performer walks towards the front of the stage, approaching the audience, this section is called downstage, and the opposite area of the stage, furthest away from the audience, closest to the back wall, and behind the actor's back, is referred to as upstage. In Shakespeare's time, stages in theaters used to be raked or built on an incline, which meant that they were slightly sloped with the back higher than the front to improve sight lines or viewer visibility. These terms originated from the structure of stages in the Middle Ages and early modern period, where upstage refers to the higher area of the stage, while downstage refers to the section that was lower. The common abbreviation on a stage plot for downstage is DR, and for upstage it is US. This is a sample illustration of the downstage and upstage stage positioning. Stage positions are an integral element of live theater, often appearing as italics in the script, existing entirely to serve the cast and crew as instructions for the live production. These notations written by the playwright indicate where the performers should sit, stand, walk, enter, or exit, and basically provide directions for their movements. It can be applied to guide an actor on how to shape his or her performance. Understanding the various stage positions is crucial to a theatrical production. During rehearsals, a director will work with performers to decide the blocking and will refer to the 9 positions on stage. As we will have to produce a theater play as our final requirement for this course, everyone involved in the production must be aware of these positions to know where individuals and objects should be at any given time. In addition, to make sure that the correct portion of the stage is spotlighted, for instance, the lighting designer must know where actors are positioned on stage. In another scenario, the stage designer also needs to know where set pieces are placed on the stage so that all the necessary props are well organized in every scene. Moreover, stage positions play a significant role in proxemics as well. The director will take into account both the practical use of space while blocking a play, making sure that the audience can see what is happening on stage and the potential implications that space may convey. Fundamentally, precise and thorough stage positions function as a production's roadmap or blueprint, freeing up the cast and crew to concentrate on putting on a show that is cohesive, consistent, and ultimately successful.